Learn. What does resolution mean? Hey friends, welcome to English with Nate. I am Nate. In this video, we will discuss two definitions of the word resolution. Definition number one. The first definition of resolution is determination. The first definition of resolution is determination. Definition number two. Resolution can also mean a decision to do or not do something. Resolution can also mean a decision to do or not do something. Resolution is a noun. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. Hey friend, if you like learning new English words with me, click that like button. Listen. Good job. We've learned two definitions of the word resolution. Now let's practice listening together. Example number one. The freshman made the football team because of his hard work and resolution. The freshman made the football team because of his hard work and resolution. Example number two. The couple made a resolution to work out 3 days every week. The couple made a resolution to work out 3 days every week. Speaking. Great job, friends. You have learned a new word. You've practiced listening. Now let's practice speaking and pronunciation together. Check out the phonetic spelling of the word resolution at the bottom of this screen. I'm going to repeat the word 3 times. I want you to listen and then repeat after me. Let's get started. Resolution. 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 Let's make things a little more challenging now. Repeat these phrases after me. The freshman made the football team because of his hard work and resolution. The freshman made the football team because of his hard work and resolution. Go! Hey friend, I know you will be successful learning English because of your resolution, because of your determination. Keep up the hard work. If you haven't practiced English for at least 30 minutes today, repeat this video or check out one of the recommended videos so you can learn more English words with me.